Don't even care that we're 5 yards from it. Just chewing its cud. That's crazy, just hanging out. 5 yards from me.
Dusty setting up the spot and scope. See if we can spot something way out there. Lots of country to glass. Got the river way down there. Gotta be something out there. Lots of land to cover.
Up here glassing for some deer. You see there's a couple fishermen down on the river. There's their little pontoon boat. And there they are. And they are probably, I'd say probably 2,000 yards away. Oh, fly fishing. Can I get that line out of the water?
Crazy how far that is.
How far away they are. But kind of cool to see people getting out in November fly fishing. There's a big old buck running away. There she is looking at us.
She's looking right at us.
Standing on a deer trail.
Staring at us. How far down she is. Can't even see her from here.
Well, we found where all the deer are. They are held captive by these farmers behind the fences. There's 6 of them there. Just got done doing our hike. We're gonna go check another spot where we were told there's a big 4-point that was spotted. So, but we're looking for the type of those, but with horns.
What'd you do? What'd you do, buddy?
Got a buck! Whoa! Oh, dude! Give me a high five.
Spotted that.
You did?
I did.
Oh man, dude! Holy cow, man! I cannot believe that.
I saw him and I saw the horns.
I zoomed in on him because I'm like, oh, I can only see 2 points, and then he turned his head, and he's 3.
That's awesome.
Dude. I cannot believe it. He's right.
You better write down.
He's 80 yards from the road.
Yep. Let's go see him.
He is 80 yards from the road.
Let's go see your trophy.
Dude. Oh, I'm so glad we decided to come back here, man.
Yeah.
Holy cow.
Yeah, I saw him sitting there saying, there's horn. He's wide too.
Oh.
I said,
He didn't.
he started to get up. I saw, you're
dropped.
not. Yeah, you dropped him.
Oh man. I cannot believe that.
I spotted that one for him.
Oh, jeez, man.
And you know what? We got it on camera.
First Life Outdoors, man. Right there.
Right there.
Getting it done.
Oh.
Oh, he's a nice buck.
He ain't no big old 4x4, but.
No, but I'll take him. Oh. I was not going to pass up.
No.
All I wanted out this hunt was a 3-point. And I said the first nice 3-point I see, I was going to shoot. And we just did that.
Well, those guys weren't lying.
I don't think this is the buck they saw, but.
You never know.
Oh.
Can't believe I spotted him for you.
I know.
No. And you know what? It's not down a canyon.
Oh, he's nice. Oh, he's only a 2x3. He's only a 2x3.
Is it really?
Yep. He's only a 2x3.
That's a nice buck, though. Oh, you hit him high. Woo! Do the happy dance.
Oh,
Hey, there you go.
he's not a big buck, but
You know what that means? We can sleep in. Pretty
instead
buck,
of
though.
the first buck that I thought was going to be a buck that I would shoot, I was going to take, and
Yeah.
he's not huge, but I wasn't going to pass this up. Oh, why do I got to get robbed every time? I wanted a nice 3x3. I've got 2x3s. Oh,
Booyah. What are
did
you
it.
shooting?
I'm shooting a Rim 7 mag with my home load 168 grains Nosda long range bullet. And this bullet is money.
Yeah. There's Dusty getting his tag out.
I got so many.
He's got a bunch of them in there.
Hasn't been a very fruitful year.
This is his special tag.
6 or 7 years to draw this tag. Tomorrow's our last day to hunt.
But you're not a horn hunter, are you?
Nope.
Meat.
I just want meat in the freezer.
Meat for your family.
And this guy
He'll do.
gave us the perfect opportunity.
Yeah.
Here's one of my favorite knives. This is a Lone Wolf
Where'd you get that?
that my buddy got me, Andy. It's in great, has my name engraved on it.
Oh, yep.
We've done a lot of elk and deer on this.
It's a nice knife.
My other favorite tool when I'm processing an elk, or a deer or an elk, a Raptor Razor.
Yep.
That thing is money. This
Buy
will,
one.
This will do everything you need. So we're gonna get to work because it's getting dark.
You got your tag? Not your tag.
Oh yeah. I got busy talking about my favorite knives. Well, it's freezing out here.
Yeah, below 30. It's a weird day.
Welcome to First Life Outdoors. This is our season this year. 2018's been a odd year. We
Terrible elk season.
elk season was bad. Turkey season
Late
wasn't
turkey.
that great.
Yep.
Late turkey wasn't good. Muzzleloader deer, general rifle deer wasn't good. I drew this special tag for November 5th through the 20th. This is the only time we had. We had 6 days to come hunt.
Yep.
6 days being the 6th was we had to pack up and leave and go home because we got to go back to work. We've done 4 days. We've done 30 miles.
There's 60,000 steps. That's 30 miles.
About 30 miles.
Yep.
So,
That's a lot in 4 days.
and a lot of elevation up and down.
Yep.
But
A lot of hiking.
we got it done. First
Seen
time.
38 deer today.
Yeah, and we've seen probably since
5.
we've been up here, probably 15 to 20 bucks.
Yeah.
We've seen a lot of bucks.
Tons of bucks.
Passed on a couple that weren't something I wanted to shoot, and
One not legal.
today was the day I found a buck that I'd be happy with.
Yep.
So there you have it. My deer season's in the books.
Yep. Don't forget to follow us.
Like us on Facebook,
Yep.
Instagram, and YouTube.
Yep.
We'd really appreciate it.
Yep.
But right now, I'm going back in the tent where
'Cause
it's
it's cold.
68 degrees.
Here we are. Rib meat. Look at all that rib meat. People leave that. Not us.
Well, everything goes home.
Yep. The hind quarter here.
That's the front.
The front quarter. Tay quarter. This buck was loaded with ticks.
Little brisket.
Squirrel over there.
Little shoulder meat here.
He's got a lot of meat off so far. We found the bullet hole.
There's got some fat on him.
Not very much though.
Well, not as much as I'd expect. Got a nice neck roast here.
Yeah.
We're gonna peel that all the way around, roll that up, and I'll tie it with some rope, put it in the crock pot, cook it. It's A lot of people don't like the neck meat turn into hamburger, but this is one of your best roasts.
Yep. Not many people skin a deer on the tailgate.
No.
I already cut the head off. He's over here, chilling. Next to the free pumpkins that were at the campsite. That's where the tent used to be. Dusty doing the job he was built for. Sweeping.
Your job.
Sweeping my tarp. Bag of meat there from his kill. Frozen solid. Cooling the stove down. Couple things left to load.
When we got to camp, somebody put a bunch of pumpkins up here. I don't know why, but Andy has been itching to shoot one since we got here.
Carve one, and I'm not gonna carve it because I already frozen.
So we're gonna watch him blast it.
Ready?
Yep. There it is. Oh, he blew the stem off.
Oh, he did. That's just target loads.
That's what a 12 gauge will do to a pumpkin.
That's how you carve a pumpkin.
That's a Cyclops.
That is a stinky pumpkin too. That's stinky.